Toy Collector, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue paper slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last video is also remember, please leave it a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in the comments down below give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue paper slime. So the ingredients guys when you make this slime recipe today is any type of thick soap. I'm using the soft soap. This one works the best for me. You guys will also need any type of lotion. You can use Bath & Body Works or even like this kind. Any type of lotion will work. You guys will of course need paper. I'm just using these paper towel napkins. You can use toilet paper. You can even use like paper from like a notebook. Any type of paper will work. You guys will also need a bowler plate to make your slime in. And last but not least, you guys need a mixing tool. Okay, so I'm first going to add my soft soap into the bowl. And I haven't done a paper slime video in a while, so I'm really excited to do this one today. And this one's like an updated one, and I added more stuff into it to make it work. But yeah, so here is the soap. It looks really pretty actually. And I don't know what type of lotion to use. You only need a little bit of lotion because this is how the actual paper will soften up throughout the soap. So I think I'm actually going to use this 1,000 Wishes ones. And this is from Bath & Body Works too. You'll need a little bit. That much looks good. And now I'm going to get mixing it. That looks like enough mixing. And now I'm going to get out my napkins or paper towels. Again, you can use any type of paper. I'm just going to use this. I'm going to rip it up. And this is the most important thing to do. You're going to get whipping it up like this. You want it to be thinly ripped. Just like this. And now what you're going to do is you're actually going to put it into your bowl and you're going to get mixing it up. You want to add a little bit at a time or else it's going to get all thick and stuff. You want to make sure it all gets in within the actual mixture of the soap and lotion. Okay, so I mix it just enough, as you can see. Let me zoom this out just a little bit for you guys. And there it is. And as you can see, all the paper is dissolved into there really nice, which looks great. And now what you're going to do is you're actually going to put this into the refrigerator for about 2 hours. And you guys always ask, I always use this refrigerator that's in my basement. I'm going to put it into there for about 2 hours, and every 30 minutes I'm going to take it out and see how it's going. So I'll see you guys in about a second. Okay guys, so it's been about 2 hours. I also wanted to say I added some food coloring into the slime thinking nothing would happen, and it spilled all over me. But the color's super pretty, but just wanted to say that because I always say that you can add whatever you want to the no glue slime. So I added food coloring and this went pretty horrible for my hands wise, but here's the slime and look at the color. Isn't that so pretty? It turned into like a really pink color, and before it was, oh my gosh. Look at this. I also wanted to add some more paper on the top before I get into this to like show like the paper slime effect. So let me shred up some paper. But it turned out really well, I can already tell. And it was in the refrigerator for about 2 hours in case any of you guys ask. I can tell it's really sticky though, so I'm gonna take this out. But here's everything I used for it as well. I just put that all aside. But this slime seems really cool already, and I'm gonna get taking it out now. And, oh yeah, it's really sticky. Maybe I can put it on the table. You can definitely see the paper in it, what's in it. It's a really cool slime. It's just so sticky because it's soap. So yeah, it's really sticky because it's just soap and lotion and paper, but it turned out pretty cool. Yeah, but this slime turned out awesome for being a no glue paper slime. You can see the color's really vibrant. You can see the paper is within it. And it turned out amazing for a no glue paper slime. And all you need was soap, lotion. I added food coloring, but that's super optional. But again, it got all over me and over my nails, so it's okay. But then I also had paper, of course. You can use any type. You can use printing paper. You can use paper from a notebook. Any type of paper will work for this. This recipe turned out awesome. I'm going to upload more of this on my YouTube story page. If you just go into my YouTube channel, you'll see like a story option. So I'm going to upload more of like ASMR with this slime. But it's really awesome, just super sticky as you can tell, because it's obviously soap. It's not glue or anything, so it wouldn't make it perfect, but this slime turned out awesome. I really hope you guys try this out. This is probably one of my best no glue paper slimes. The paper actually dissolved a lot within. You can still see there's some here and there from there, but it's really awesome. I hope you guys tried this recipe today. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video today. Remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some good ideas. Bye guys, I love you so much, and peace, and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye! Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video today. I also wanted to say, sometimes you guys say like these recipes failed for you guys, or they don't work, or they're not real. Well, here are all the failed ones from this video. I tried like a regular lotion one, a regular soap one with the paper, all different colors, and these ones all failed. And I did this all within like the last hour, and I just wanted to get it to work so bad, and it didn't work. But there's always failed recipes with making no glue slime. The last one finally worked for me. But if you guys tried this recipe today and it worked for you, please put it in the comments down below. And if it didn't, I'll help you guys out. But yeah, bye guys!